Hello friend, this is next kite, next Parley kite and Krack kite. Very nicely looking kite, make by less waste paper, Parley biscuit, waste paper making kite and Krack biscuit pack paper, waste plastic. Homemade kite. This is a very fantastic looking kite. Very lovely kite. Very beautiful kite making. Waste paper from Parley lace and Kite biscuit. एंड मिनी फिर की मिनी चरखी है, कुछ टॉफी है। हाय फ्रेंड, थैंक यू।